Did you know one awkward jump into the car can quietly strain your dog's joints for life? Today, I'm revealing how to choose the best dog ramp for car entry, so you protect their mobility and your peace of mind. Welcome back. Check the links below to grab the right ramp for your pup. One awkward jump into an SUV can silently damage a dog's joints forever. Most owners don't realize it, until the limp appears. Big dogs. Tall vehicles. Slippery bumpers. That's the daily struggle. The 63 inches long and 17 inches wide dog ramp for car entry changes that story fast. Its extended length creates a gentle incline, not a steep climb. That matters for hips, knees, and aging backs. The non-slip rug surface grips paws securely, even in rain. No hesitation. No scrambling. Fold it once. Carry it easily. Rated up to 250 pounds, it handles large breeds without flexing or wobbling. Compared to shorter plastic ramps, this one feels steadier and less intimidating. Pet stairs? Fine for small cars, but bulky and risky for heavy dogs. A folding dog ramp for SUV height simply makes more sense. Downside? It takes trunk space. And first-time training may require treats and patience. If you own a senior dog, a large breed, or drive an SUV or truck, this portable dog ramp is a practical safeguard. Because protecting their legs today protects their tomorrow. One awkward jump into an SUV can quietly change a dog's life forever. That's the hidden risk many owners ignore, until their pup hesitates at the tailgate. Large breeds. Seniors. Dogs recovering from surgery. Car entry becomes a daily strain on joints you can't see hurting. Here's where the Pet Safe Happy Ride folding dog ramp steps in. Lightweight. Yet reassuringly solid. The high traction walking surface grips paws instead of letting them slide. No panic. No scrambling. Just a steady climb into your SUV. For anyone searching for a dependable dog ramp for car entry, this one balances portability with joint strain protection. It folds securely, locks in place, and slides into the trunk without eating space. Setup takes seconds. Compared to bulky telescoping ramps, this folding design feels simpler and less mechanical. The trade-off? It's slightly longer when unfolded, so smaller cars may need to measure first. Who should buy it? Owners of SUVs, aging dogs, or heavy breeds needing daily support. Because protecting their knees today means more road trips tomorrow. Most joint injuries in large dogs happen during everyday jumps in and out of cars, not during play. That's the reality many owners face. A heavy dog. A tall SUV. A painful leap. The extra wide dog stairs for large dogs changes that story. 4 broad steps. A stable frame. A non-slip surface that actually grips paws instead of letting them slide. It feels less like a flimsy accessory and more like a secure staircase built for real weight, up to 250 pounds. Daily use matters. For car entry. For high beds. For trucks. Unlike a steep folding plank-style ramp, these steps reduce strain by shortening each climb. Senior dogs, recovering pups, and large breeds benefit most. The foldable design makes storage simple, though it does take slightly more trunk space than a compact telescoping ramp. If your dog hesitates before jumping, this is for you. If lifting 90 pounds hurts your back, this helps even more. Because protecting their joints today means fewer vet visits tomorrow, and fewer regrets later. Most joint injuries in dogs happen during everyday jumps in and out of vehicles. That tiny leap from driveway to back seat? It adds up fast. Here's the real struggle. You love road trips, vet visits, park runs. But lifting a growing Labrador, or watching an aging shepherd hesitate at the bumper, hurts more than their hips. The Pet Safe Happy Ride compact telescoping dog ramp changes that moment completely. First, adjustability. Its telescoping design extends extra long, making steep SUV or truck entries manageable. Shorten it for smaller cars. No awkward angles. Just a smooth climb. Second, Grip. The non-slip surface gives secure traction, even for nervous paws. Lightweight build means you can lift it with one hand, yet it feels stable under pressure. Compared to folding ramps, which can feel bulky and less adaptable, this portable pet ramp offers better sizing control and easier storage. The trade-off? It's longer when fully extended, so trunk space planning matters. Ideal for senior dogs, large breeds, post-surgery recovery, or protective owners preventing joint strain. Because protecting your dog's mobility today quietly protects every adventure tomorrow. Most joint injuries in large dogs happen during routine car jumps, not during play. Let that sink in. If you own a big breed, you've seen it. That awkward leap. The hard landing. The hesitation before climbing into your SUV. That daily strain adds up. The 74L and 20 inches width longest dog ramp for car changes the entry experience completely. The extended 74-inch length creates a gentler incline, easing pressure on hips and knees. The extra-wide 20-inch platform feels stable under large paws. No wobble. No panic steps. Its non-slip mesh grip matters more than you think. Rain, dust, or excited paws, traction holds. And despite supporting up to 250 pounds, it's lightweight and portable, making it ideal for SUVs, trucks, and RVs. Compared to shorter folding pet ramps, which feel steep and narrow, this design prioritizes comfort over compactness. The trade-off? It takes slightly more storage space. Who should buy it? Owners of senior dogs, heavy breeds, or pets recovering from injury. Because protecting their mobility today protects their freedom tomorrow.